Hey, sorry I haven't released a video like in a long time. Tons been going on, lots of projects. Actually most I'm not going to actually even make a video about, but I do have a bunch of, footage already recorded, just waiting to be edited. I upgraded my PC. I have another boat to do. I have I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a tray full of wonders that I have a lot of projects. I have a lot of video footage. I'm making a mystery wood project that will be videotaped soon. I restored a little pedal go-kart for my kid. Got lots of stuff. A lot of recorded footage, but my computer's down for a while, so I didn't do any editing. And now with the backlog that I have, it's just kind of intimidating, along with some of my fall projects and some kid birthdays and blah blah blah. Anyway, I didn't forget about you. I'm working to edit these videos, and I'll get them to you as soon as I can.